Hi guys, so this video is on solving some more what we were doing in class today. I'm gonna start by writing in your equation. Okay, and I'm gonna make a line for my equal. I'm gonna put it in red so that we really pay attention to it because I noticed some of those mistakes happening in class today. Alright, so let's go through our checklist. Alright, don't call me after midnight. Our first step is D, distribute. Is there any parentheses to distribute here? No. So that means I cannot distribute. So I'm going to cross out that step. Alright, next step, combine like terms. So I'm going to scan my left side. Are there like terms for me to combine? Yes. So we're going to go ahead and combine them. My two like terms are 4 and -6. When I put those together, I get -2. Alright. I'm going to bring down everything else because I haven't done anything else yet. So that was combine like terms. Check. Alright, next step on my list is move variables to one side. So when I look at this red line down the middle, do I have variables on both sides? And I do. I have a 6x on one side and a 3x on the other. So I want to put those together. So I always like to start with what's on the right. So I want to move the 6x. And I'm going to move it by doing my inverse. So step 2 is move x. So it was plus, so what is my inverse of the 6x? It's to subtract. So I moved variables to both sides. Alright, let's simplify. So 3x take away 6x is -3x. Bring down my -2, bring down my equals, bring down my -14, and what happens when they're the same number and opposites? They cancel. Alright, what's our next step? Next step is add or subtract. Alright, so I add or subtract my number without the variable. So number without variable. Alright, so I'm looking on my left side. My left side. Which is my number without the variable on my left side? It is -2. So that's what I'm going to move. But when I move it, I need to use my inverse. And what is the inverse of this? It is +2. Alright. Bring this down. -2 and +2 are opposites, so they cancel. And on the right side, I'm going to solve it. Alright, that was add or subtract. Alright, last step. It says to multiply or divide. Alright, in this case, I'm going to divide by the number in front of the variable, or the number with the variable. Alright, these cancel. I bring down my x, bring down my equals, and I solve this to get -4. And that is my final answer. Alright, so please use your phone to help you go through those steps. And as always, if you have any questions, please write them in at the end.